Hey guys, Flying Slowbro here. Just found a shirt with a ripped sleeve, so as you can kind of see it. So I might as well. Currently I've any no sleeve shirts, and I don't think this is repairable, so it's a major rip. So I might as well just make it into a no sleeve shirt. I'm charging up the GoPro for tomorrow because it's going to be a big day. So yeah. Well, for tomorrow, so you're gonna have to see what's tomorrow. Bye guys. So I am just like kind of on my way to the Kip Trail right now. Let's see what animals we can find on the run. And I gotta turn down Pleasant Street to get there. It smells so nice here on the Salmeyer Trail because of the wildflowers that grow alongside it at the start. Yeah, it's a nice place. It's like there's a grackle in the grass over there. So I'm in Price Chopper. This is Flying Slowbro here. I am looking for something to eat for lunch, but thought I might as well just get something now, even though it's an hour early, because I'm going to be gone for a while out of my run. So let's see, what fruit should I get? I have $10 on me. I got a mango and a coffee with added protein, so that's what I got for my lunch. For my brunch, that's what I got. Here at the Salmeyer Trail, I've been listening to "We Didn't Start the Fire, It's Been Always Burning, We're Not Doing. We didn't start the fire." I've been listening to that while I've been running. We're here at the Salmeyer Trail. So I'll be looking for animals and that kind of thing. So yeah, just been out here running along. Like this Salmeyer Trail here. Just looking for animals, that kind of thing. So trying to find some. See if I can find any. Just heading down here, down this little path by the bridge. So hopefully we can find something. Oh, don't want to knock over too many rocks. Might be. Actually, hold on a minute. I'm going to see if I can find a snake or something. Snakes I'll most likely find down here would be a snake garter snake. So that's what I'm looking for. Or I'm looking for any snake, but garter snake is the one I'm most likely going to find. Something I did find is an ant colony. Lost it up one of the rocks. So wasn't exactly expecting that. You know what? I'll do a Coyote Peterson. I'll put my hand in the ant colony for 10 seconds. First bite. These guys actually aren't really that painful. Ow. Second bite. Okay, that's 45 seconds. Okay, fellas. Go ahead. Off. I don't know if you can see them, but there's a leopard frog tadpole in the water there. Leopard frogs, I believe, are the one frog we don't have a shortage of this year. I believe there's a abundance of them this year, leopard frogs. Or at least I think there will be, because of all the tadpoles. But who knows? Going down one of the side trails off the Kip Trail. See if
This
I can
little
find
wet
anything.
spot of all these mushrooms just kind of caught my eye. So there's mushrooms there, mushroom there, and a mushroom there, all growing out of moss. So just happened to kind of catch my eye, and I wanted to record it. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now, recording mushrooms. You, sir, are the biggest frog I have ever seen. Hello. Can you walk on the land, sir? You are humongous. I need to catch you. I might just dive in after you if you jump in. Because I need to catch you to show viewers. You are huge. Holy smokes. That's one giant bullfrog. Working on the road work here in town. So that's the thing. I'm just taking the dogs for a walk on this trail here. Gotta take Partridge Run part of the way for the dogs. And then we're going to just after that go down Fairlane and not Fairlane, go down Riverside and Main Street, in that area and that kind of thing. I've come across one frog leaping across the road, but I couldn't film it because I had to keep Mozzie from trying to eat it. So that's the thing. But because everything that moves or everything that runs, Mozzie likes to chase. Although I don't know if she'd eat a frog. I don't want to find out. So yeah. Looking down into Canton. The GoPro is charging for tomorrow. Well, it's probably done charging now, but just want to make sure. So guys, yeah. Flag Slow out here. Here's some of the guys, and whoop, Mozzie almost knocked him off his rollerblade. Mozzie, bad dog. Bye guys. Sidewalk closed, but it's just a sign that they forgot to take down a really long time ago, I think. Because they've already plastered that up, so who really cares? Going down to get something to eat for dinner. So yeah. Bye guys.